Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back into my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple yet delicious, yummy, healthy juice. It is called hibiscus juice. In Cameroon we call it Sorrel or Bissap. In order to achieve that juice or tea, however you call it in your country, you will need hibiscus flower. I have here the dry version, which is the only version I can find in the United States, so we're gonna do that. You're gonna need some sugar. If you do want sugar, you don't have to put sugar in there. I'm gonna use some brown sugar for mine, or honey if you want honey. I do not like honey in mine, so we'll put it down the side. Also need some ginger, lemon or lime. I don't like mine too sour, so I'm gonna use just half of a lime. I add into mine pineapple. I love pineapple. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits. It's probably like top 3 of my favorite fruits, so I need to have pineapple in mine. So if you don't want pineapple, you can put a different fruit, or you don't even have to put any fruit, so you can go ahead and just do it without any fruit. I'm adding pineapple into mine. I'm gonna add some lemongrass, just a little bit. You can add peppermint, some other option for taste, cinnamon, vanilla to mine, lemongrass, and my pineapple. You're gonna also need a bowl, something to stir, a strainer, and I'm currently boiling my water already. So in a different bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and wash mine just pretty fast, just to take out any dust that it might have, because it's dry. Obviously, like if it's dried outside, probably has dust in it. So before we start, I'm gonna give you just a few seconds so you can hit that subscribe button, so you can come back next time when I post another video, and hit that like button, and also share with your friends and whoever might be interested in this, because it is yummy. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Let's get going. So I have here about 84 grams. I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse this fast. This is what the dried leaves look like. I can smell the leaves already. It smells so good. Smells so delicious. You have to rinse it really fast, so that if there's any sand, because you don't want to lose that red color. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that fast, because we need that red color, you know. Just want to make sure I'm not boiling sand. That is sand, and there's a rock in there. Well, it's stone, I should say. A little rock. Hear that? That's why you rinse it. Add the washed leaves into the water and let it boil for 10 minutes. While the leaves are boiling for the first 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my pineapple. You have to make sure you wash it very well, because you're gonna use the skin to boil with the leaves. Now that your pineapple is cut, you're going to take your ginger, cut that into small pieces, because you're also going to drop that into the leaves and cook it together. Okay, so I go ahead and drop your pineapple leaves that you just cut along with your ginger and your lemongrass. I'm gonna let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn off the fire. Look how red that is. I'm gonna drain this and we're gonna add the sugar and let it cool down all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my lime and add my sugar. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and add me some more pineapple. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna set this aside and let it cool all the way down, and it will be ready to be consumed. I'm gonna drink some of this tonight with my dinner.